I am Dr. Suparna Chaudhary, Senior Consultant Gynecologist and Obstetrician attached to Bhagirathi Neotia Mother and Child Care. I would like to have a small talk on an issue related very much in today's life and pregnancy and the precautions that need to be taken in this hour of crisis of COVID-19 pandemic. Firstly, I would like to add few words. Don't panic, stay cool, listen to the advice given by the doctors and the government directives. First of all, I would like to add few words about the COVID-19. As we all know by now, it's a viral disease and it is just presenting as flu symptoms like common cold, cough and mild fever. As such, a very important point about this is highly contagious, much more than the common flu that we frequently meet. Talking about COVID-19 and pregnancy or the ladies who want to get pregnant, I would like to add few words. That normally respiratory illnesses or viral fevers are a bit slightly more serious in pregnant women. Secondly, at this point, the immunity of the pregnant lady is much less and decreased than normal persons. So, they are actually more prone to any infection. As such, this also has an effect on them. Discussing further on this, I would like to add few things. Studies are being done and it shows that pregnancy is a state where normal viral infections are more serious than normal, but as such, no conclusive study has come up to say that COVID-19 is more severe in pregnant than others. Secondly, as far as the studies have come out so far, the complication that has been noted special to pregnancy is that occasionally it leads to premature birth. But one important point I would like to add, studies have also shown this virus is not present in breast milk or the amniotic fluid, that is, the liquid that surrounds the baby in the mother's womb. But vertical transmission from the mother, that is, direct spread of infection from the mother to the baby is possible. Considering all these points, we should be careful about few things and take few precautions. What are those that we should follow? First of all, wash your hands well, at least for 20 seconds, as frequently as possible, or use a hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol content. Try not to touch your eyes, your nose or your mouth. Stay away from people, especially the sick people. Keep distance, even with your family members, at least 1 meter. Clean and disinfected the things that are most commonly used by your people, like the mobile, the doorknobs, the computer, the counters. So, to be healthy and to be safe, we should maintain few things which have been repeatedly told to us. Stay at home, stay safe, wash your hands with either soap or alcohol containing sanitizer, maintain social distance and wear mask. Go out of the house as less as possible. If at all you need to go out to meet your doctor or any other emergency, try to maintain the distances, the cleanliness that have been told. In case you have minor problems, communicate to your doctor over phone and try to sort it out. If at all you need to go and visit, contact your doctor, know about the place, get specific instructions, maintain the safety measures and follow. Don't panic, stay safe, stay at home.